Discover Jasper National Park, where adventure meets serenity. Imagine hiking through Malign Canyon, feeling the spray of waterfalls and marveling at limestone cliffs. Fancy a serene boat ride. Cruise Malign Lake to Spirit Island with views so stunning they're practically legendary. But the magic doesn't end at dusk. Jasper is a dark sky preserve, offering some of the best stargazing on the planet. Picture yourself under a canopy of stars, a sight you'll remember forever. Don't miss the Athabasca Glacier. Walk on ancient ice or take a guided tour to explore its secrets. Or unwind at Pyramid Lake, perfect for canoeing, paddleboarding, or just soaking in the tranquility. Hungry? Head to the Raven Bistro for bison short ribs or grab a wood-fired pizza at Jasper Pizza Place. And for your stay, choose the luxurious Fairmont Jasper Park Lodge or cozy up in a riverside cabin. Prepare for wildlife spotting with binoculars and dress in layers to tackle that mountain weather. Jasper National Park, where every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold.